Welcome to our Cinematic Storycraft English Learning YouTube channel.
Emily, is that you? I can't believe it's really you.
Alex, wow, after all this time, I didn't expect to see you here.
I've been thinking about this moment for so long. How have you been?
It's been strange, you know? Life just went in so many directions. What about you?
I've had my share of ups and downs, but seeing you right now, everything else fades.
You always knew how to make me smile. You haven't changed much.
Neither have you, Emily. You still have that sparkle in your eyes.
I thought you wouldn't recognize me after all these years.
I could never forget you. How could I?
It feels like a lifetime ago. We were so different back then.
Yeah, but some things never change, like the way I feel right now.
Do you ever think about us? About what could have been?
More times than I'd like to admit. I always wondered where things went wrong.
We were young, reckless. Maybe we didn't know what we had.
Maybe, but it doesn't change the fact that I missed you.
I missed you too, Alex, more than I ever said.
Why didn't you reach out after all this time?
I thought you moved on. I didn't want to reopen old wounds.
I never truly moved on, Emily. You were always in the back of my mind.
It's strange how life brings people back together, isn't it?
Maybe it's fate. Maybe we were meant to meet again.
Do you believe in second chances, Alex?
If it means being with you, then yes, I believe in it.
It's hard to believe after everything.
I'm not saying it'll be easy, but I'm willing to try if you are.
What if we're just repeating the same mistakes?
Maybe we will, but maybe this time we'll get it right.
You always were the hopeful one.
And you were always the one who grounded me.
I don't know, Alex. It's scary. The thought of going through all that again.
I know, but this time we're different people. We've grown.
Do you think we've really changed?
I know I have, and I think you have too. But some things, some feelings, they never change.
Softly, like what?
Like the way I still care about you.
I care about you too, Alex. But caring isn't always enough.
No, but it's a start. We can build on that.
What if we get hurt again?
That's a risk I'm willing to take. For you.
You're always so sure of yourself.
Not always. But about this, about us, I am.
I don't know what to say.
You don't have to decide right now. Just think about it. I'll be here, waiting.
You really mean that?
I do. I've waited this long. What's a little more time?
You're making it hard to walk away.
That's the plan.
You're impossible.
But you like that about me, don't you?
Maybe.
So, what do you say, Emily? Can we start over?
Let's take it slow, Alex. One step at a time.
That's all I need. Just one chance.
All right, one chance, but no promises.
I'll take that.
It's good to see you again, Alex.
It's good to see you too, Emily. I've missed you.
I've missed you too.
Comment your feedback, like, and subscribe our channel.